Picking a luck a day continues. 7. ABUS. What model number is this? 2470. Disc padlock. I bought this because, well, I got into disc locks for a minute and I bought a whole bunch of them. As you've probably seen, I've picked tried to pick quite a few on this series already. This one, I might actually be able to pick. Wish me luck. I'm going to use the 32,000s Z-bar from the Reaper set, McNally Reaper set, and a 20,000th dog leg. A little concentration. There it is. Open. I was about to say, don't you bounce away from me. Already lost one piece from the Reaper set. I don't want to lose another. Sorry. Fucking cameraman. Thank you for playing. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.